Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on how to design a social media flyer with your smartphone on pixellap. Okay, so today we are going to design the flyer you are seeing right now on your screen. We are going to design the flyer you are seeing right now on your screen with a pixellap. So let's jump into the video. Okay, welcome back. Here we are in pixellap. Okay, the first thing we have to do, is to set our background. We are going to set our background. Remember, the background is red and the background ratio is 1:1. We are using 1:1, right? So we are going to set our background color. I'm going to use color red. Okay, so after that I'm going to bring in my texture just to beautify the background, just to make the background look more matured, right? So I'm going to bring in a texture. I'm going to drop this in the description box, the link to this in the description box, right? So the next thing here to do is to come to opacity. Reduce the opacity of this texture. Reduce the opacity to either 9 or 8, right? Or prefer 5 or 4. Okay, after reducing the opacity, you come here and lock it, right? So now we have locked it. We cannot move it any longer. So now the next thing we are going to do is to bring in that image, the image we are going to use for the design. Like I said, I'm going to drop the link to the resources in the description box. Okay, we are set with that. So the next thing we are going to do is to start typing our text in there. So first thing was beauty plus, put it in capital letter. Change the fonts. We are going to change the fonts through here, fonts. In this case, we are going to use the font name called disclaimer. I'm going to drop a link that you can download the font, right? Okay, here is the font we are going to use for the design, right? So I'm going to lock this lady right now here. So after that, I'm going to type in beauty plus master class, right? So I'm going to select my fonts. I'm going to select fonts. Also, I'm dropping a link in description where you can get the fonts, where you can get access to the fonts. Okay, so what I will do here is, let me bring in my ruler. Bring in your ruler, set your ruler so that you will not make mistake, right? So I'm going to add a stroke to that master class. I'm going to add a stroke and I'm going to change the color of the stroke to color red. Okay, just to make it appear fine on top of that beauty plus, right? Okay, so we are done with that. The next thing here, let me use this as reference. Say outlines, luxurious makeup, marriage makeup, face art and and more plus certificate of completion. Okay, so we are going to type that. Okay, so I think we are done with the typing. So we are going to change the fonts. So in this case, the font I'm using is Montserrat. I'm going to drop the link to where you can download it. Change the font size to so make sure your work align very well. So the next thing we are going to do is to set in our prices. So in price setting, we are going to bring in a shape. Give the shape a yellow color. Right, give the shape a yellow color. Then begin to shape. So I'm going to bring in another shape. So okay, so I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to copy this, put it this other way, copy this, put it this other way, right? So we are almost done with our work. We are almost done with our work. So I think I should increase this a bit. A bit. And I'm going to move all of them up so that okay. Okay, hope you can remember something like this. That's for payment. Okay, and then okay, okay, so we are almost done with that. So we are going to input our prices. We have here 20k. Change it to color black. Change the font to meme font. Reduce the size and take it there. Hope you are understanding. So I'm going to copy that also. Okay, we have set our prices. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do there is to set registration fee. I'm going to change the color to color black. I'm going to make a copy of that. So that is. So I'm going to input the payment. That's the call to action. Set to pay. To make pay to. we are almost done, guys. So now I'm going to change the font to Montserrat regular. I'm going to change the font to Montserrat regular, and I'm going to change the color to something of this or something. So guys, we are done with the flyer. Okay, I'm going to input here the date. Okay, guess I'm almost done. Okay, so right now we are done with the flyer. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. What we do here is to teach you everything you need to know about graphic design and smartphone monetization. So if this video was interesting and you would love to see more of this, please share it, like it, comment on it, and then subscribe to it. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.